Well, my name is Patrick LUMUMBA, and in this video, I'm going to put myself in a tough spot and see what I would do if I was jobless and desperate. Let's see if I can get creative and turn things around. What are you going to do if you find yourself jobless and desperate? Let me tell you something. When I was growing up, I used to see people in my hood walk by the streets, talk to themselves, and at that time, I didn't completely know what these people are passing through. As I grow up, now I know life is a hustle, full of challenges. But regardless of what we are passing through, we have to find solution to every problem. In this era, it is really hard to live without job, without money, without business. I mean, we have bills to clear. We have power bills, water bills, gas bills, groceries, tuition fees, and some people out there have big mortgages to clear. The first step is, what are you looking for? Which job are you looking for? What do you want to achieve? That is the first step. In this generation, the biggest population is, I can do anything. The perspective of you saying, I can do anything is a failure. And no one has ever received the certified certificate for doing anything. That is the language of failure. Always remember, companies are looking for professions in specific sectors. What I'm simply saying is, look within all the industries we have today and ask yourself, what is my passion? What am I good at? By reflecting your values and interests, researching different industries, considering your past skills and experiences, you can make an informed decision about which industry is right fit for you. And listen, do not be afraid to take some time to explore your options and try out different industries before making a decision. As part of the research, speak to people who are already doing the job that you think you want to do, what they enjoy, what the work culture is like, and anything that will help you make a choice about where you want to be. As a good career example, let's go with digital marketing, but you can choose any career of your choice. Let's say I don't have any past skills or experience about digital marketing, but I would love to become a certified digital marketer. Step number 2 is study, learn, get that education, get the skills. What do you need to become a certified digital marketer? And this applies to all the careers you have chosen. I remember I enrolled for a free digital marketing course with a certificate at Max Business School and Google Skillshop. And guess what? I got the skills. I got full knowledge about digital marketing because they teach you from scratch to advanced. So I was well advanced about building website, SEO, social media managing, and stuff like that. So I got the basics. I got everything that I needed free of charge. I did not pay any single coin. In my free time, I could go on YouTube and check out those YouTube tutorials where they teach more of digital marketing. So I was more eager to learn about digital marketing. I wanted to know what are the basics, what skills do I need to become a certified digital marketer. So I had to do my research to go a little bit deeper, to know more and more about digital marketing. So the channel that I always checked almost in a week, I could check what have they uploaded of recent. So I could go over there and check. Sometimes they could upload courses of 1 hour, 2 hours, 3 hours, and that channel is Simply Learn. Simply Learn has more courses they have uploaded. What I'm saying is, if you don't have money, you can utilize the internet. And also, I had to take an extra course at Zabil International School here in UAE. One, I knew what I wanted. Number 2, I got what I wanted. I got the skills and I got the knowledge. Number 3, executing a plan. Again, it applies to all the careers. Now, we have very many opportunities for digital marketing. You can work as a freelancer. Number 2, you can start up your own business. Number 3, you can work for the company. Job. Again, for digital marketing career, you're not limited. Now, as a certified digital marketer, if you have decided to go as a freelancer, then these are the websites where you can go and register yourself as a freelancer. Number 2, as a certified digital marketer, if you have decided to open your own company or business, this is what you need. You can start your own business by building a website and start selling products or services. Number 2, you can go as an affiliate. You go over to those companies, get the links, get the products, and then sell them on your website. You get commission. So the last one is working for the company. So after receiving your certificate, you know what to do. You have the skills, you have the knowledge. The last step is applying on platforms like Indeed, LinkedIn, Dubizo, Bayut, and other international platforms.